Teacher Daddy muna tayo. What's up mga ka-5'9"? So, gumawa ng poem. Poem mga anak ko. So, kailangan na i-recite sa school. Kaya, i-memorize niya to. Kaya, ako hinawakan ko to at i-recite niya sa akin. So, 5, 4, 3, action!
My grandpa is a man who never screams or demands. He loves me that I can feel. His kindness is so real. We laugh, we play, we have fun each day. Grandpa makes me smile, so around him I'm never low. And I know I can talk to him even about things that are a bit grim. He is always a good listener and so wise. He is always full of surprise.
Okay.
Grandpa, I love you. Thank you thank you all.
And thank you for...
Thank you for all you do. I'm so lucky to have you.
Okay.
You are the best grandpa. That is so true.
Oh, kunting linis na lang. Memorize mo na. Kaya, isang rounds pa.